Hello everyone, today I would like to show you my new product which will enable the Audi Connect options on the cars without the SIM card slot. So for say is that box. As a standard it comes only with that Wi-Fi antenna without the SD card reader and GSM modem. Alright, so I'm gonna show you that Audi Connect doesn't work right now. I forgot to mention also it will come with that wire, the power wire, and the USB lighter port. So like you see, the Audi Connect doesn't work, it won't connect with because it doesn't have the internet right now. Alright, so I'm gonna cancel that. About the requirements, what the car has to have. It will work only with the MMI 3G Plus with VLAN connection. How to reckon if you have the MMI 3G Plus? It actually looks like that. Also, you have that small joystick here. But to be 100% sure if your car will work with that device, just go to the media, source, and go down on the last option. And here you can see this no device is connected to my VLAN. So if you have that option in your MMI, it will definitely work with yours. Right, so this device doesn't work with when the ignition is off, because it obviously has to be powered. Alright, so let's turn the ignition on. Now we have to wait about 15 seconds. At this moment we will work only from the GSM modem. I can show you that my hotspot is turned off. Yeah, the music starts playing from my device. So I think the Audi Connect should be also available. Yep. So yeah, that is connected through the Wi-Fi with that MMI, and that's why the Wi-Fi is required for the device. Okay, so what you have in here? Weather. And it's quite sunny today. Okay, so let me check that. So what we got in Peterborough? Temperature. We got 8 degrees, wind. It looks today. Overview of that. What we have are fuel prices. Let's check the fuel prices near me. Now, so we got the apple green, £1.25p. Let's check. We have the Earth. Diesel premium unleaded AdBlue. There is no AdBlue on that petrol station. And that is a quite nice feature to have. Travel information. So what we got in there? So I think we got here some attractions near me. What happens if we get into this one? Yep. Some pounds. Some description. Right. Let's check the other city events. For example, I'm interested with the concert. Chris Barras band. Also we have the date, some description, the place where it will be. A mobile phone, I think you can also rank this number. Let's press yes. Okay, so we don't wanna go to them. Okay, so what we have? Country information. For example, let's get the France. What we have in here? Yeah, we got the speed limits. The speed limits are in there. There are garbage, motorway, and traffic regulations. A nice one. Parking information. So that is probably we find the nearest car park and it's supposed to show the prices on there. Yeah. There's no specific information available. The price for the first hour £1, 2 hours £2, opening times, opening hours, address. I think when I press that address it will start the sat-nav. Yeah, it's trying to start the sat-nav. Okay, oops, let's back to the deconnect. And what we have there, online news. International top news. Yeah, it's quite nice. So that's all options in there. Another feature is that the Google Earth is working on the maps. Another feature is that the Google Earth is working very nice. Of course, there is no any traffic information from the Google or from the Audi, because Audi has blocked that option for the cars without SIM card slot. But it's still giving you the quite nice live preview. Also, we can searching for the addresses online. For example, let's put the hotel. Which one hotel we like to get? Marriott. Start route avoidance.
Your route is being calculated. Please make a U-turn if possible. The destination is on a restricted access street.
Yep, it works very, very nice. Okay, so we can cancel that one. We don't need them. The another feature which can be added to this device is the media streamer, media server. Like you see now on the last option is ABM box, media box. We can play the music from this. It's actually playing the music from that my SD card, but it can also play the videos. Let me show you. Of course, if you wish to watch the movies while you're driving, you have to enable the video in option. switch back to Audi Connect. Probably we need to restart the MMI to get the no, it's working fine, as you can see now. Okay, so how looks the installations of that device? I have actually two options to do that. One of them is that you can come to me, to the Peterborough, or I can drive to you everywhere in UK and do it on your behalf. I think that's the easier way to get everything worked properly. Because then you don't have to worry about the settings, for example, and in the hidden green menu. I will show you, because there is loads of options to set up. Like for example, the network configuration. Also, we're gonna have to turn on that. Turn on the Google Earth. And the most important is that your MMI must have the current firmware and maps version. So if I come to you or you came to me for that installation, I will also update the firmware and the maps. That is included in the price. And we don't show right now. Okay. No worries about that. And yes, that device comes as a standard without that GSM modem, without the SD card reader. It's only additional Wi-Fi which allow you to connect with your mobile phone hotspot. Of course, device, charging cable, and that USB plug. The second option is I can post that device everywhere in the world with detailed instructions. With that will come also 2 or 3 SD cards with scripts which has to be applied for the MMI. Also, we make some video tutorial, or maybe with the PDF photos. What option have to be set up in the hidden green menu, but they also must be the latest firmware and the maps in your car. So for this moment I'm working on that version, and there you can see the latest maps in there. Right, so if you have any questions about that device, you can just contact with me via Facebook page or my email address, info@upgrademyaudi.net. I will be happy to answer to any questions. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope we see you soon.